Hi, Fart Faces! It's me, Bevbee. Today I have a very extra special unboxing because this is a gift from my friend, my big sister, Sandra West. Yes, you heard it, Sanny West. She surprised me by getting me this canvas, and I am just so grateful for people like her in my life. Like, she's wonderful. I feel like I can tell her anything. I feel like I can tell her what I'm thinking. If I needed emotional help, I know that she'd be there for me. She's just a wonderful, amazing person. So let's get into this unboxing. Have my trusty scissors. Okay, so I got the box open without showing you our addresses because we don't need no stalkers. I mean, unless you're like a cute stalker. No, just kidding. We don't need a stalker. So she packed it very well. What is all of this stuff, Sandra? I literally thought you were sending me a canvas and the pink pens. What is all this, Sandra? Oh my goodness! What's going on? What is happening right now? Okay, so she said she was going to send me pens. Wow, you weren't joking. She sent me some pens for chonky pens so that I could use these when I make pens. You are not joking that you have a whole stash of pens. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, Sandra, what? What is going on? What's this? Is there a card? Am I missing something? I don't want to be rude. Let's read the card first. A card. Bevy T. Aw. Okay. Let's see the... Oh my goodness, Sandra. Did you diamond paint this yourself? It's beautiful. Oh, I love it. Okay, I'm going to read the card. Aw. Sandra. This card is so sweet. Thank you so much. I'm literally, let me fan myself. I'm fanning myself over here because it's really sweet. And thank you so much. Like, oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Sandra. Okay. Let me gather myself. Okay. Thank you, Sandra. That was really sweet. Literally, like, I'm spoiled. I feel so spoiled right now. Okay. Oh my goodness. What is this? Oh my goodness. I'm going to enjoy eating this. I already know. Pirate's booty! She was like, have you ever had pirate's booty? And I was like, no, what's that? So she's like, I'm going to send you some pirate's booty. I was like, okay, I'm excited for your booty. So pirate's booty is aged white cheddar, rice, and corn puffs. It's baked, not fried, made with real cheese, no artificial colors or preservatives. Not sponsored. Wow, pirate's booty. Okay, this is amazing. Look at the back of it. Help crunchy, hunt for treasure. And then you have to look for these little items that they list out. Oh my goodness. I'm excited to try this, Sandra. Thank you so much. Thanks for sending me your booty, girl. Thank you. Okay, what else is in here? Oh yeah, I was looking at this thing. Look at how it's wrapped in washi tape. Sandra, are you a washi tape queen? I feel like you are. Oh, little apple stitchery. What is this? Oh my goodness. It's a bee needle minder, aka cover minder. Oh, it's so cute. Thank you so much. So there's the Etsy shop where she got it from. Oh my God. I'm like, this is so nice. So nice. Seriously, so nice. Wow. Look at it. Look at it, everyone. It's so cute. Okay, sorry. I'm like, I don't know. I'm getting emotional. Don't make fun of me, guys. Oh, there's some washi tape. Shut up. It's from Simply Gilded. Simply Gilded washi tape is my favorite. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Home, work, meal plan. So it's for a planner. That's perfect. I can use this in my planner. Oh my goodness. And don't look at my nails. I'm sorry. Oh, This is so pretty. Look at the little bows on the back, on the bottom, the blue bows. That's so pretty. Thank you, Sandra. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, let's look at what's in here. Sandra, why you gotta send me all these gifts and spoil me? Shut up. Oh my God. How did you know I didn't have one? How did you know, Sandra? Oh, sorry, I'm like yelling. How did you know I didn't have one? Seriously? Everyone always talks about these Xyron sticker makers. And I was like, I don't know if I should like get one. Because it's like Shay did a video and I was like, Shay, that's the only thing I don't have like in my diamond painting toolkit. And everyone has one. And so I've been like contemplating about getting one after seeing Shay's video. Oh my goodness. I feel so complete right now. I feel so complete. Oh my goodness. Okay, thank you. What's in here? Sandra, you're so silly. Thank you. You're so thoughtful. Oh, I don't want to rip it. Rip it. Just a little bit. Rip a little bit. What is this? Oh no. Oh my goodness. It's a little set. Is this from Simply Gilded too? Oh my God. Oh, I think I might have broke it. Nope, it's fine. Look at this. I love Simply Gilded. Oh, little post-it flags. Okay, I'll fix that after. Oh my goodness. I'm dying. Planner stickers. I'm dead. I'm dead. Literally, I'm dead. Is this a notebook? What is this? It's a notebook. That's so nice. Oh, their bows are my favorite. Literally my favorite. So pretty. More stickers. These are so pretty. Is this like paper? What is this? Okay, more stickers. Look how nice this watercolor is and the holographicness. The holographicness. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. Wow. I love this jelly cover. Those are my favorite. Okay. Okay, I'm freaking out a little bit. Freaking out. What's in here? I'm like gonna cry, Sandra. Seriously. Stickers! Bee stickers! Shut up! Let's look at some. My cat is meowing. He's probably excited too. Kenzu! Zuzu! We have some stickers. This is Simpsons. Hi, Boo Boo. You want to come say hi? He's right there. You can see his paws. This one's so cool. Okay, we won't look at all of them or else this video is going to be like 10 hours long. But these are really neat. I love these. And I love stickers too. Sandra, why do you know me so well? Like, seriously. That's why you're my sister, because you know me. I talk to you more than I talk to my actual sister, Sandra, just so you know. Just so you know. What's in here? This feels like a chunky surprise. Oops. What is this? Oh my gosh! A little goodie bag. Sandra! Ferrero Rocher. I like this little holographic coin purse or pouch too. Ferrero Rocher, that's delicious. Dum-dums! Oh my goodness, I don't think we have dum-dums in Canada because I never see them at the store. So there's a bunch of dum-dums. Some washi tape. Oh my goodness, bee washi tape. Those are so cute. Look at this one too. It's kind of like a retro pattern. Ooh, what's this? It's a cover minder. Cover minders, a little heart, and a little like swirly button. And it's purple. They're both purple. Purple's my favorite color. Oh my God, Sandra. Wannabe? Aw, thank you so much. This is so cute. Look at all the candy she sent me. Oh, and some ABs. Look, $5.50. This color is like freaking beautiful. Seriously, freaking beautiful. I was gonna swear, but I won't swear. Thank you so much for all the candies and the treats. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this is what Sandra, this is what I was expecting in this box. She was saying she's gonna send me some stuff with it, and I thought it was literally, oh wait, is there more in here? Oh, and she also sent me multi-placers for my chonky pens. Thank you so much, Sandra. I almost missed these. Good thing I checked. Okay. But this is the canvas that she got me. I'm literally really excited about it. So she got it shipped to her, and then she shipped it to me with all these presents. And it looks like it comes with some patty wax. So let's check that out. It comes with a little sample of patty wax. So we have patty wax super sticky and pink sugar. Pink sugar, what does that smell like? That's what I want to know. Super sticky has no scent, but patty wax pink sugar smells. I can smell it from here almost. Oh my God, pink sugar literally smells so good. So good, guys. And then it comes with a sticker, passport sticker. I'm going to travel and visit you, Sandra. You'll regret it. And then it comes with ABs, sparklers. Oh, cool. I'm going to have to use these on the bee. Come on, focus, camera. Sparklers for squares. And this is a square kit. So this is the kit Sandra got me, but this video is long enough, so I'm going to do an unboxing of this kit in a separate video. But thank you so much, Sandra. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. I just want to say thank you so much, Sandra. Honestly, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. I'm getting emotional. I'm sorry, guys, but it was really nice to get this today. I thank you so much, Sandra. You're like, I love you. You're a really good friend to me. You're a really good sister to me. And like I said, I honestly talk to you more than I talk to my own family. So we don't talk that often either, which is really sad. But thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to end the video. If you're new here and you like this video and you don't mind me crying once in a while, click the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of my hive. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Okay, bye. Say bye to the pirate's booty. Bye. Okay, I'm going to go cry now.